At Schrader Solutions, we're all about creating healthy, productive office environments that improve our clients' working lives. This means asking a lot of questions and listening to our clients. So with that in mind, we asked some of the honorees about their ideal office space.
I spend more time in my office than any other room in my home or anywhere else.
I would like to have a couch in my office for when people are visiting me.
I'd say maybe a bar is not a bad idea. I think it boosts morale, camaraderie.
A comfortable office space that allows people to focus on the task at hand is essential. The right design solution can encourage interaction, support solitude, inspire creativity, or decrease stress.
You can't do your best work for your client if you're thinking about, oh, my back hurts, or my computer's not at the right level and my neck hurts and all of that stuff.
Your level of comfort in your office has a direct impact on productivity.
It's really important. I've kind of made my office look like my home.
At Schrader Solutions, we design the office space around people rather than simply fitting people into the office space.
I like having a great big desk because I'm one of those people with piles everywhere, piles of paper.
I do a lot of reading professionally, so somewhere comfortable to curl up with my stack of depositions and plow through them.
So some creative solutions we can provide include tool rails to help organize file piles, comfortable areas integrated the furniture for reading, quiet rooms for relaxing or to get away from technology for a bit. And access to natural light is also very important for productivity and general well-being.
I need a comfortable chair.
Really comfortable chair that has support but also has some padding in the back.
And we have chairs to suit every size and shape. Would you ever think about standing as you work? Maybe a sit-to-stand desk combined with the right chair creates the perfect legal combination. Successful law firms rely on great people, so why not help your people be great by having Schrader Solutions give them a supportive environment to work in?